Ang pamilya usa kini ka pundasyon sa atoang kinabuhi. And it is a wonderful opportunity to reconnect with our relatives, share our stories, and create new memories. They are also a chance to appreciate the diversity and uniqueness of our family. We have people from different backgrounds, cultures, and professions. We have people who live near and far, who are young and old, who are married and single. We have people who are funny and serious, adventurous and cautious, but despite our differences, we have one thing in common. We are family. Maayong adlaw mga higala, so karong taknaan niya kami karon going to Dampinas mi panginabunturan para i-celebrate ang first grand reunion sa Española family sa descendants si Potenciano, Consolacion ug ni Victoria. Ug kini gipanguluhan sa maong host sa Team Dampinas. Ug bisan pa man sa among nasinatian karong adlaw, ni padayon gihapon ug nahimong successful ang maong event. Unang-una nagpasalamat kami sa buhing Dios nga gihatagan kami og maayong panahon. Dakong pagpasalamat namo sa Team Dampinas nga maoy nag-effort bisan pa man sa kalisod sa panahon nahimo kining posible. Also, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has contributed to the planning and organizing of this reunion. Your hard work and dedication have made this gathering possible, and we are truly grateful for all your efforts.
Mga kuha pala sa class dance.
Ate!